How to save Canva design to gallery on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save Canva design to gallery on mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva. So open up your Canva, search for Canva app, and then open it up. After you open it up, make sure you're logged in into your account. Now from here, you can start a new project or open up any project that you were doing on previously. So I'll just go to my recent designs and open up a design. After you open up a design and after you're done with designing and stuff, what you can then do to simply save this to your gallery is tap on this download option right besides here, tap on save as image, and it will start preparing your design. It can take some time, but wait for it. But after some time, you'll get a small pop-up like this. So right here, you'll need to scroll down a bit and there you will see save as image option. Tap on it and it will start getting saved as your image and it will have been saved to your camera roll. And it's that simple. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.